Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Ford Mustang GT in grabber blue on black leather interior with Recaro racing seats. It's got a Phase 2 Roush kit on it, so it's 727 horsepower. So we'll just start at the back here. Love the grabber blue, as you can see, just a great color. In the trunk, here we are. Nice size trunk, looks good. Frames are nice and clean. We'll just close this up. Here's the nice wing spoiler on the back. It's got the double racing stripe. We've got dual Flowmaster exhaust down at the bottom. We've got nice LED tail lights. Great looking car. Here's your rear wheel. So nice, nice black rim, good tires, and nice big brakes on the back there as well. So at the passenger side, we've got the nice light up Mustang kick plate. And on the door here, we've got power locks, power windows. We've got nice leather inserts here. Excuse me. So that's a nice leather finish there. And then we've got the nice baseball stitching here as well. So it looks great. And I'll let you have a look at the seat here so you can see the condition. And what an awesome seat. Nice Recaro racing seat. Looks great. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Looks good. And let's see. So we've got the books, those are there, and we've got wheel lock kit there as well, and the book can be tucked up on the shelf there if you like as well. Mustang since 1964, very cool. Nice finish here on the dash. So I'll just hop out and close this door up, have a look down the side. So it's got the pony symbol there on the floor. Paint looks great, no dings, no dents, looks good. It's got the nice black mirror, black pack, so it's got the black logos. And here's your front wheel, so no curb rash, no issues. Nice Yokohama tires on there. And it's got the big Brembo caliper kit. So that's perfect. And here we are under the engine. So again, there's your Roush Charger, Stage 2, 727 horsepower. Man, that's a lot of power compared to the 6-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, very clean, looks great under there. So we'll close up the hood and have a look at the front. There's the front for you. It's in great shape. If I look at the chin strap looks like it's in good shape. I don't see any scrubs or anything on it. In terms of issues on the hood, well, they're having a hard time finding anything on this one. Looks good. There's a little fuzz there, but yeah, it looks really clean. I don't see anything, so looks good. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice big Brembo brakes with Yokohama tires. And same thing back here. And as you can see, look at the stance. Looks like it's been lowered as well. So it's got a nice low ride. It'll grip the road. It'll hug the road well. And have a look at the roof. So we've got the black roof there as well. Just an awesome looking machine. So here we are at the driver's side. So we've got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and again, leather with the nice baseball stitching. And have a look at the driver's seat. So it's in great shape as well. Nice Recaro racing seat. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Get in and fire this one up. All right. Okay. So here we are. We've got 7,220 kilometers on it, nice and low. There's a tire pressure light on, which will get fixed. This is the car just landed yesterday, so it has not been out for service yet. We'll send it out and get everything resolved though. So we've got the arrow keys here, which control the dash here, so we can go back. We've got the track apps. So those are all there, gauges, driver assist settings, and then down here we've got cruise control. On this side we've got voice command, Bluetooth controls. Up here we've got volume and track change controls. On the center here we've got oil pressure and vac pressure gauges in the center. Looks great. We've got full factory navigation here, and if I hit home, let's see what else we got in here. So audio, climate, phone, nav, apps. So if we go to climate control, There's all your climate control settings there, phone, and then again your factory nav. And then down here, there's all your controls. You got dual zone climate control, and down here we've got push button start, 4 ways, traction control off, steering, or mode. So mode, when I hit that, we've got normal, we've got sport, track, and snow wet. So that's all there. Put it back in sport there, and yeah, we'll just hop out and I'll let you have a listen. Before I do that, nice chrome surround, and we've got the center console here with USB and line in. So we'll just hop out and have a listen while it's running. Great sounding machine. Here it is from the front. Looks great with the LED DRLs and the LED fog lights. Nice deep dark tinted windows. Nice low deep rumble to the exhaust. Sounds great. Looks great. It's fast. What a machine. There you have it, folks. 2017 Ford Mustang GT with Recaro racing seats and a Roush kit, 727 horsepower. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.